Okay, this is October 29, 10ish at night, 2011. That tree is a little dark, you can't see it. I don't think it's bright, but this is snowing like crazy. It's coming down very heavy, 2 inches an hour easily, possible 3-inch amount an hour, and it's coming down very heavy. It's about 31 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but from my Canadian friend. But let's put it this way, it's under 0 degrees Celsius right now, just under. And it's snowing pretty heavily. The back parking lot at work. Oh, this is unreal. I've never seen anything like it in October. Not this early. It's the most snow I've seen this early. I've seen snow in October, but not accumulated snow like this. This is unreal. This is breaking records. It's a historic snowfall for New Hampshire. For the eastern seaboard, for all that matters, the whole Northeast. So it's breaking all kinds of records, I'm sure. I can't wait to get home and find out more reports, but now that's my car. And I'm about to run out of battery juice, so I don't know how much more video I can go with this. But I was out doing trash, so I came back with the camera, took some more pics, and decided to film this walking back. So, yeah. I don't know how I'm going to get home. The snow is pretty deep. It's wet snow. So, hopefully I'll get on the highway from here. If I can't open up the gate, I got to drive through here. And my car fits through here. I've done it many times. Do the liquor store opening here. So, if I can't figure out the combo on my gate, they told me the combo, so I hope it's right. But if not, I can still go through here, which is not a big deal. It's just awkward to drive through here, and people like think, otherwise. But whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go back in now. Just filming, get the lay of it, and this is the liquor store front garden, and the lights just blinked. The street lights, not a power blink. Been getting power blinks all night long. Southbound sign on the highway already lost their power during